How to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, let's discuss how can we uninstall the Epic Games from the computer. But before deleting or uninstalling the game launcher, here are some considerations that you need to take up. The very first one be backup any game files. If you have the games installed through the Epic Games launcher, make sure to backup and save any files or game data before uninstalling the launcher. This will prevent the data loss and allow you to easily reinstall and continue playing. Likewise, the next step would be account deactivation. If you used to deactivate instead of uninstalling, it can be done easily as well. For this, you can visit the Epic Games website. Likewise, before uninstalling the Epic Game Launcher, consider checking for any pending updates. Update the launcher to the latest version, which may resolve any issue that you're experiencing or improve the performance. However, if you still wish to uninstall the Epic Game Launcher, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you end task of all the running tasks of the Epic Game Launcher. To do so, what you can do is, you have to open the Task Manager. For that, right-click on the taskbar and then open Task Manager. From here, select it and then right-click and end task. Once this is done, let's move on to the uninstalling process. For this, you have to right-click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Once the settings is open, go to Applications and then on Installed Apps. From here, you can delete and uninstall any of the file from the Windows or the laptop. In the search bar, type in Epic and you will see all of the instances of the Epic Games Launcher. Now click on the three dots right next to its name and then tap on Uninstall. This will now open a new dialog box which you have to give permission for. Once you confirm the deletion, then the deletion process will start. However, uninstalling may take some time, so you will have to wait until it is done. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.